Hey guys, Hamza here. So we're gonna be underneath the FL5 because really exciting news. We've got our hands on the brand new 271 exhaust. This is a 3-inch front pipe. We also took the opportunity to throw a rear motor mount on because when you're changing a front pipe, the rear motor mount has to come off anyways. Moving right along, we've got 3-inch T304 SS piping all the way back. Middle resonator. You can also get this as a straight pipe. Rear section. And then what everyone wants to see is the rear end of this system. Super nice polished silver tips. This is the only tip option that comes available on this exhaust, and it is valved, so the factory motor went right back on in position. We haven't yet started the car, but this is our first look at it installed. For many of you, this is gonna be the first look as well. So we're gonna drop the car, start it up, and get some clips as well. Right, front under trays back on. 271 motor mount peak. And all the way back. Diffuser is back on as well. We're gonna go out, take some sound clips, go out for a drive. So we're just gonna do the rollaway in comfort, windows up, 271 exhaust, 271 front pipe, stock downpipe. There's no cabin boom between 2.5. Sometimes you have these loud exhausts where they're not able to contain that boom in the low RPMs in load, so that's not present over here. This is obviously with the valve closed. Really chill. Plus R, you can definitely tell that there's more cabin intrusion now. When I say intrusion, it's still pretty mild, but I mean, you have to kind of expect it with a valve open and exhaust flow being pretty straight through that there's going to be some inside the cabin.